Pizza. How can I help you?
Hello, I'd like to order 2 pizzas, please.
Yes, of course. What would you like?
Can I have 1 pepperoni pizza and 1 tuna pizza?
Small, medium, or big size?
Medium, please.
Would you like some extra ingredients on your pizzas?
Yes, on the second one, can you add olives?
Anything else?
Yes, I'd like a portion of chips and 2 Cokes, please.
So, to sum up, 2 medium-sized pizzas, pepperoni and tuna with olives, a portion of chips, and 2 Cokes?
Yes, that's right.
That'll be $30.25. How will you pay for that?
Can I pay cash?
Yes, of course. Is this for takeout or home delivery?
Home delivery.
Can you tell me your address and phone number?
Sure. The address is 345 South Street, Apartment A, and the phone number is 503-850-6755.
The driver will be there in about 40 minutes.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you for your order. Have a nice day.